Uh, a combination of two or more substances.
Combination means just as combining.
Combining. Combining of
Combination
two or
means,
more substances.
yes, combination means combining only. So, Tanya, today is 9th of March and we are doing types of chemical reaction. Types of chemical reaction.
Yeah.
Tanya, what happens in chemical reaction? Can you tell me what happens in chemical reaction?
Ma'am, there are many indicators of a chemical reaction. There's
Hmm.
the change of state, change in temperature,
Change in
change in
temperature.
color, and evolution of gas.
हाँ, लेकिन the most important thing what happens in chemical reaction is
New
that
substance is formed.
new substance is formed, and the most important thing, one atom means bonding like NaCl. Hmm? So bonding between Na and Cl will break down. Na will combine with another atom, Cl will combine with another atom. Are you getting my point?
Yes,
No
ma'am.
change in atom. Atom means Na is present there, so definitely Na will be present there. Are you getting my point?
Yes, ma'am.
So, Tanya, before continuing it, write down the heading chemical reaction.
Done, ma'am.
Only chemical reaction.
Okay.
Types of chemical reaction. Before that, write down the heading mm, chemical reaction.
Hmm.
Write down chemical reactions involve the breaking and making of bonds between atoms to produce new substances. Chemical reactions involve the breaking and making of bonds between atoms to produce new substances. Have you written, Thania?
Yes, ma'am.
After that, make a note like this, make a point. During a chemical reaction, during a chemical reaction, atoms of one element do not change into those of another element. During a chemical reaction, atoms of one uh, atoms of one element do not change into those of another element, nor do atoms disappear from the mixture or appear from elsewhere. Okay, Thanya? This is the most important thing during a chemical reaction, that only breaking and making of bonds between atoms to produce new substances. Are you okay with it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. After that, 2 points we have written or only 1 point in note?
2 points, ma'am. The
2 points.
definition and
Yeah, yes. 2 points we have written. After that, write down combination reaction. After that, write down combination reaction. As it is clear by name, Tanya, in combination reaction, what will happen?
when substances combine.
Combine. Write down. When two or more substances, when two or more substances, in bracket write down elements or compounds. It may be element, it may be compound. or more substances combine to form should I continue?
Yes, ma'am.
When two or more substances in bracket elements or compounds combine to form a single product, the reactions are called combination reactions. So, Thania, what is combination reaction? When two or more substances, elements or compounds combine to form a single product, then reactions are called combination reactions.
Reactions.
Okay, now write down examples. We will do some examples related to combination reaction. In first example, we will write calcium oxide. Can you tell me general name of calcium oxide?
C A.
O.
अच्छा oxide हाँ CaO.
CA. And it is quicklime. Calcium oxide reacts with water. Water in which form? Obviously, it is in
Liquid form.
liquid form. Will give calcium hydroxide. It is aqueous and it is slaked lime. So, Thania, in this reaction, we can see that calcium oxide solid combines with water to give slaked lime in aqueous solution. Or we can say, Thania, two or more reactants are giving one product. So these type of reactions are called
Combination reactions.
combination reaction. After that, write down a point or line you can write calcium oxide and water calcium oxide and water combine to form a single product calcium hydroxide. Tanya,
Yes, ma'am.
you should learn common name of this one like calcium oxide is quicklime. Somewhere it is written like quicklime. So we should know that it is calcium oxide. Quick means छोटा सा जो नाम है that is calcium oxide and this one is slaked lime CaOH whole twice. After that, one line I already told you that calcium oxide and water combine to form a single product calcium hydroxide.
Hydroxide.
Are you completely okay with it?
Yes, ma'am.
So this is combination reaction and one example we have done of combination reaction. Thania, now I am telling you one thing before writing. I will let you know. Thania, as we have done that the calcium oxide reacts with water to give calcium hydroxide. This one is used when our house, our rooms are whitewashed. So what happened? Calcium oxide is mixed with water to give calcium hydroxide during whitewashing. Are you getting?
Yeah.
And this calcium hydroxide reacts with carbon dioxide which is present in atmosphere to give calcium carbonate in solid and water in liquid. Due to this one, after 3 3 or 4 days of whitewashing, walls become shiny. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, Thanya, what you do? Wait. Again, means we are writing a new topic type. Again, you write this equation CaO, that is quicklime, that is solid, plus H2O liquid, CaOH whole twice, aqueous, slaked lime. Okay. Now from here write down new line. A solution of, are you writing, Tanya?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. A solution of slaked lime a solution of slaked lime is used for whitewashing walls. Calcium hydroxide reacts slowly with the carbon dioxide in air to form a thin layer of calcium carbonate on the walls. Calcium carbonate
Ma'am,
is,
can you repeat the last line?
yes, yes.
The carbon dioxide present in air.
एक second, a solution of slaked lime produced by एक second, a solution of slaked lime is used for whitewashing walls. Calcium hydroxide reacts slowly with the carbon dioxide in air to form a thin layer of calcium carbonate on the walls. Calcium carbonate is formed after 2 to 3 days of whitewashing and gives a shiny finish to the walls.
Ma'am, and gives a shiny.
Shiny finish, Finish. Shiny finish to the walls.
Done, ma'am.
So calcium hydroxide aqueous plus CO2 gas gives calcium carbonate solid plus H2O liquid. Here you can write calcium hydroxide. Its general name is, Thanya, what is the general name of calcium hydroxide?
Slate lime.
Slaked lime, and it is calcium carbonate. One line you can write in bracket, means it is not related to it, but for our knowledge it is important to know. Marble is also calcium carbonate. Marble is also calcium carbonate. Are you getting?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, Thanya, till now what we have done, you got all the points.
Yes, ma'am.
It is actually very simple. Combination reaction means reactants are combining to give one product, and we have done only one example, like calcium oxide reacts with water to give calcium hydroxide. We add on here what, that calcium hydroxide. This is not the example of combination reaction. Okay, this is not the example of combination reaction.
Yes, ma'am.
This is give reason type. Now, more examples of combination reaction. Second example is burning of coal. In burning of coal, carbon that is solid plus oxygen that is in gaseous state if is sorry gives carbon dioxide gas. Tanya,
Yes, ma'am.
we know during the burning reaction takes place with oxygen. Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
so by two reactants we are getting one product, so this is also combination reaction.
Yes.
Now formation of water from H2 gas and oxygen gas. Can you write this reaction? Balanced reaction. When hydrogen reacts with oxygen, it gives water.
A hydrogen valence is 1, right?
Yeah, but
Uh,
we are just combining hydrogen plus oxygen, it gives water.
H2 plus O2 gives 2H2O.
2H2O. So to balance it, we will write here 2H2 also.
Hmm.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So Tanya, these are the examples of combination
Reaction.
reactions. It is the another point, exothermic reaction. It is with combination reaction. Okay. Tanya, can you tell me what are exothermic reactions?
Um, Reactions in which heat is released
In
or
which
produced.
in which heat is released or large amount of heat is evolved are known as exothermic reaction.
Reaction.
Write down in which reactions in which
Yes, ma'am.
huh, reactions in which heat is released along with the formation of product. Along with the formation of product are called exothermic chemical reactions. Reactions in which heat is released along with the formation of products are called exothermic chemical reaction.
Reaction.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Now Riddhi, oh sorry, Thania, we have done that the calcium oxide quicklime reacts with water giving slaked lime.
Yes, ma'am.
This is also an exothermic reaction because large amount of heat is evolved during this reaction. When calcium oxide, write down this complete reaction, reacts with water, it gives calcium hydroxide. If we are not writing straight here, it will work because here the most important thing which we have to show, that is heat.
Ma'am,
This is,
so we shouldn't write that it is in aqueous form.
yes, and if we are writing it will work, if we are not writing it will also work. Because in
Okay.
exothermic reaction, the most important point which we have to show, that is heat.
Heat. Okay.
Next example is burning of natural gas. Burning of natural gas.
Yes, ma'am.
Natural gas is methane. Formula of methane you have to learn, Thania, that is CH4. It is in gaseous form when it reacts with oxygen. Actually, burning. If we are using the word burning, it means reaction is taking place with oxygen. It will give carbon dioxide plus water, and water in steam, gaseous form. In
Once you have written the balanced
check,
equation.
you check. Carbon is 1 here, product side also
One,
1. Hydrogen
two,
no,
no, it's four.
4, and 2H2 also 4.
No.
Yeah, 2H2.
Acha, okay. Huh.
Okay,
Huh.
and oxygen here
Two,
2O2 means
four.
4, and here 2 here and 2 here,
Huh.
so it is also 4. So this one is
Balance.
balanced chemical reaction.
React.
Now in next line write down respiration. What you do, make a different heading. Respiration, actually it is the heading of exothermic reaction. Okay, it comes, actually it is subtopic of exothermic reaction.
Yes.
Okay, respiration is an exothermic process. Okay, respiration is an exothermic process. Tanya, have you written?
Yes, ma'am.
One more thing. Tanya, can you tell me what is respiration?
Uh, Ma'am, I don't exactly know the
Okay,
difference.
no problem. In respiration, we breathe.
The,
Actually, respiration is a process in which glucose present in our body combines with oxygen,
yes, ma'am.
carbon dioxide. We exhale. Okay, and energy. It reaches to all our body. Are you getting?
Yes, ma'am.
So respiration is very important process for all of us to stay alive. During respiration, we inhale oxygen. It combines, we take food. So it combines with the glucose present in our food, forming carbon dioxide which we exhale out,
Yes,
and energy.
is released.
Energy is taken all parts of
Oh,
our body. Okay,
yes, ma'am.
now write down. We need energy to stay alive. We get this energy from the food we eat. During digestion, food is broken down into simpler substances. For example, rice, potatoes, and bread contain carbohydrates. These carbohydrates,
Ma'am, can you just wait for a minute?
yeah. So we need energy to stay alive.
Yes, ma'am.
We get this energy from the food we eat. Okay.
Yeah, ma'am, I've written, for example, rice,
Ha,
potatoes
okay.
contain carbohydrates.
During digestion, food is broken down into some simpler substances. For example, rice, potatoes, and bread contain carbohydrates.
Till that I've written, ma'am.
Okay.
Yeah.
After that, these carbohydrates are broken down to form glucose. This glucose combines with oxygen in the cells of our body and provides energy. Again, I am repeating complete line. We need energy to stay alive. We get this energy from the food we eat. During digestion, food is broken down into simpler substances. For example, rice, potatoes, and bread contain carbohydrates. These carbohydrates are broken down to form glucose. This glucose combines with oxygen in the cells of our body and provides energy.
Yes, ma'am.
The special name of this reaction is respiration. Respiration, it is opposite of photosynthesis. In photosynthesis, carbon dioxide and water combines give glucose. In our body, this glucose, which is in aqueous form, reacts with oxygen we inhale and it gives carbon dioxide, aqueous, water in liquid form plus energy.
Done, ma'am.
Done? Written?
Yes,
This reaction also?
yes, ma'am.
Okay. In next one, not last, one more we will write. In next, the decomposition of vegetable matter. The decomposition of vegetable matter
Yes, ma'am.
into compost is also is also an example of an exothermic reaction.
Done, ma'am.
The decomposition of vegetable matter into compost is also an example of an exothermic reaction.
Yes.
Okay, one more thing, Tanya, I want to ask. One day, I think first day we have done burning of magnesium.
Yes, ma'am.
We have written the reaction for that one when magnesium combines with
Oxygen.
and it gives.
2 mgo.
So, can you tell me which type of reaction is this?
It's an exothermic reaction.
And also
Combination.
combination reaction. So, right, you can write down here burning of magnesium in next, I think it is fifth one. I forgot the number. You write from your notebook. Burning of magnesium is also an example of an exothermic reaction where heat is given out where heat is given out along with the formation of single product. Okay, Tanya?
Yes, ma'am.
Tanya, I am giving you one question. You have to do this question right now only. Okay?
Okay.
And actually, we have done this topic today. So, from there, you have to find out a solution of a substance X. Write down the question. A solution of a substance X is used for whitewashing. What you have to write down? Name the substance X and write its formula. In second, write the reaction of the substance X named in one above with water. Write down the question. Think about it.
Ma'am, the first one, the substance X is calcium oxide.
Okay, and when its formula is
CO2 plus H2O gives
no, I am
Ca
asking only the formula of calcium oxide.
CO2.
CaO.
CaO2. Sorry.
Beta, only CaO.
Hmm.
CaO, its formula you have to write, and after that you will write its reaction with water. Write down complete answer in proper way and then show me.
Okay. Ma'am, done.
Okay. So name the substance. You told me that it's
Calcium,
oxide, its formula,
CaO.
and its reaction with water.
Water is CaO solid form plus
Hmm,
H2O liquid form
huh,
gives a CaOH whole twice
hmm.
aqueous form plus
Yes,
heat.
plus heat. Okay. Tanya, now show me your work. Like this, you can show me. I just want to check what you have written. Okay. Very good. Very good, Tanya. Now, in next one, Tanya, so in combination reaction, we have done exothermic. Can you tell me what is the opposite of endothermic? Oh, sorry, what is the opposite of exothermic?
Heat is absorbed in a chemical reaction that
When
would be endothermic.
endothermic. Now write down the heading endothermic reaction. Endothermic reactions. Okay, wait. Tanya, we will write it with decomposition. Actually, generally combination reactions are exothermic. Before that, I
Okay,
have to tell you decomposition. By mistake, I told you here.
it's fine.
So, Tanya, we have done all about combination. Please check. Did you get all the things or not?
Ma'am, I still don't understand how respiration gives is an exothermic reaction. How does it
Because
give out heat?
it is giving energy. Energy, when energy is given out, okay, then it will be considered as an exothermic reaction.
Oh, okay.
Energy is given out. The most important point that energy is given out, that's why it is exothermic reaction.
Exit.
Okay, Tanya, one more question I am giving you. This is also example of combination reaction. A shiny brown colored element, a shiny brown colored element. Element is X. On heating in air, in air becomes black in color. Name the element X. Name the element X and black colored compound formed.
Ma'am, is this the burning of coal?
Brown colored element X on heating in air becomes black in color. Element is copper.
Okay.
Write down X is copper. And what is the symbolic form of copper, Tanya?
Cu.
Cu. C capital, U small. X is copper and the black colored compound formed is copper oxide. X is copper and black colored compound formed is copper oxide, CuO. The equation of the reaction The equation of the reaction involved on heating copper is given below. Can you write it down yourself?
Yes, ma'am.
Let me know.
C, Cu plus O 2
2CuC. O2
gives CuO. So,
2CuO.
yes, ma'am. I'll write it first and then I'll balance.
Uh,
Done. So,
so have you written balanced chemical reaction?
yes, ma'am.
You have to give here. Actually, they are asking shiny brown colored element. So it is shiny brown in color and it is black in color. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So Tanya, that's all about which reaction?
Combination reactions.
And also
Exothermic.
exothermic. You can give quick revision and after that I will start
Decomposition.
decomposition reaction.